Welcome everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating science behind how a plant-based diet can influence your weight. Have you ever wondered just how much impact your diet can have on your weight? Stay tuned as we unravel this intriguing topic. Let's confront the common challenges many individuals face when striving to manage their weight effectively. Conventional diets often lack the essential nutrients needed for optimal weight management. That's where the plant-based diet steps in, offering a rich array of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants crucial for promoting weight loss and sustaining a healthy weight. Join us on a journey into the world of plant-based nutrition, where we uncover the powerhouse nutrients vital for supporting your weight management goals. Explore the abundance of fiber in fruits and vegetables, the protein-packed benefits of legumes and nuts, and the overall nutrient density that forms the foundation of achieving your ideal weight. Imagine feeling more energized, lighter, and healthier just by making simple changes to your diet. By embracing a plant-based lifestyle, you're not only optimizing your weight but also fostering a sense of vitality and overall well-being. It's a holistic approach to health that benefits both your body and mind. Embracing a well-balanced plant-based diet offers a sustainable pathway to achieving and maintaining your ideal weight. By incorporating more plant-based foods into your daily meals, you're setting yourself up for success in a healthy, nourishing, and long-term approach to weight management. Are you ready to explore how plant-based nutrition can revolutionize your weight management journey? Dive into the video description below for invaluable insights, practical tips, and resources to jumpstart your path towards your ideal weight. Share your thoughts, questions, and progress with us in the comments section. Let's embark on this transformative journey together. Unlock the potential of plant-based nutrition to achieve your ideal weight naturally and healthily. Start today and witness the remarkable difference in your well-being. Thanks for tuning in, and here's to reaching your weight goals with the power of plants.